Cheap LinkedIn profile writing service, New York. PaperHelp. Reliable paper writing service. Get the results and recognition you deserve.
What are you doing tonight? There's so much going on in your life. Family gatherings, work, catching up with friends, gym, movie premieres. But what about your paper? Luckily with us, you can hand it in time without missing out on things. Talk to us and we'll match you with a writer who is hooked on your subject. He will comb online databases for the latest articles from referred journals. Not everything can be found online, but our writer is one of those people who knows where a good old-fashioned library is. After studying piles of books, he'll conduct experiments and run statistical tests. They may be no picnic for you, but for this guy, they are the fun part. Once the hypothesis is confirmed, he will write up the paper and send it to you. That way, you can share your feedback and receive the final document with all the changes made in time. Just like that, you get your writing needs covered and your life back.
PaperHelp. Get any type of an academic or business paper done. Cheap LinkedIn profile writing service, New York. To get special 10% discount,